This chicken cabbage filling can be used for your spring rolls, and it can also serve as a sauce or a serving for your white rice. Let me show you how to make this in very easy steps. Now you're going to saute some onion in oil, not so much oil, just a little oil depending on the quantity of filling that you want to make. Now fry this onion until they are pale white. Now I'm going to go in with already cooked chicken. Okay, now this chicken has been cooked. If your chicken has not been cooked, go ahead and fry it in the oil for it to turn white before you go in with your onion. But this chicken has already been cooked, so I will go in with the chicken after frying the onion for some time. Now what I'm going to do is to allow this chicken to dry up and then fry. Because there's still a little bit water content in my chicken, I'm going to allow this to dry up, and this will give me the perfect outcome. If it does not dry up and you're using this for your spring rolls, it is definitely going to, you know, come out soggy. Your spring roll will not come out crispy. So you want to allow this to dry up. You can see how it is here. The water is dried and it is just the oil that is left. At this point, I'm going to go in with my bell peppers. I'm using the green and red bell pepper for this. You can use any color of bell pepper that you want to use. You're not restricted to a particular type of bell peppers. So I'm going in with some bell peppers. Okay, now go ahead to add in chili pepper to your sauce filling so that for taste. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my cabbage. I'll add in my cabbage and my carrot. I'm not going to fry this for so long. I'm just going to stir this together. Go in with my seasoning. My seasoning contains curry powder, chicken seasoning, ginger and garlic spice, and I'll be using knorr cube. Just very little knorr cube and very little salt. Okay, very little spices. You don't want this to be salty, and do well to taste as you're adding these things to know when to stop. Okay, now I use very little seasoning. I don't use so much. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of soy sauce to balance the taste, and my filling is ready. This filling is so delicious. It came out very amazing. The taste was so on point. So if you're struggling to make your filling, this filling can go for your spring rolls, and it can also go for your sauce. Do well to check out how to make your spring roll sheets and how to wrap your spring rolls. I have a video on it on my channel, and I'll see you in my next recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.